Today we're here to talk about the Mini-Rex Snap Trap for Mice by Trapper. It's an extremely easy trap to set. All you do is you pinch the back, it locks, and you don't have to get your fingers anywhere near the mechanism to set it. Another great feature with this trap is the removable bait tray. On the bottom you just twist it, remove it, put in the desired bait or lure, and you can put it right back in. And it allows you to, again, bait the trap without getting your fingers anywhere near the mechanism. To disengage the trap, all you do is push the trigger pan with some pressure on the back and slowly close it. Two great features of this trap is that it has a spot in the bottom that will allow you to put a zip tie or wire underneath to actually affix it to somewhere like a pipe or any other areas where the mice might be climbing or running along. And that it works inside of an Evo Express bait station. So if you're looking to use a snap trap on the exterior, this will keep it safe and totally functional on the outside. It prevents any unwanted wildlife or animals from coming into contact and risk getting hurt by the snap trap, so it keeps it totally contained. And again, that is the Trapper Mini-Rex Snap Trap for Mice.